is just 9 out of 10 times it's going to come down to you just not believing in yourself. That's it. So I guarantee you, I can find you like at least 50 people that are selling high ticket, that are selling £2,000 programs for 6 months, and then you're over there charging £100, 150 quid a month. Like, I can show you right now. And what's the difference between you and them? It's only two things. It's confidence. They believe in themselves. And number two, they have a strategy. Now, one of them two things you are lacking. I promise you, you just have to believe in yourself. You just have to get around someone who can show you the exact steps, and then you will succeed in the online coaching fitness space. By the way, I'm not making this up. It takes the same amount of energy, effort to sell a £100 program than to sell a £2,000 program for 6 months. I promise you, it takes the same effort. It's just different steps, just different strategies. That's all. I really don't mean to call you out, but everyone I've seen that's really struggled with this is the person that has no strategy, and it always comes down to a psychology question. Oh, I don't believe in them. I don't believe in myself. I don't feel like I can find people like that. I don't feel like people can pay me. Like, you just don't. You feel like you don't deserve to be paid a higher price, and that's totally false. Right now, you're feeling like this because it's just the people that you're hanging around with. I promise you, on the other side of there's think about this. This is gonna hit home with you. So, depending where you live, in whatever part of the UK, in your city, there's going to be houses that are worth more, and there's going to be houses that are worth less, right? But you live in the same city, right? But there's houses worth £1 million. There's also houses worth probably 100, 200 grand, depending whereabouts you are. But there's two different worlds in one city. It's the same thing. In the coaching world, in the fitness world, there's people that are charging £100, and there's also people that are charging £2,000. They're just targeting a different avatar. This video is not really designed to give you motivation, because if that's the lesson you're taking away from this, like rah-rah motivation, just get off this video, because it wasn't even designed for you. It's for someone who really just needs a kick on the backside, and I'm here to like hold your hand throughout the process and just tell you that you deserve to make more money, you deserve better clients, you deserve to grow your business the right way, and I'm here to hold your hand throughout that process and show you how to do that. So look, if you genuinely want to have a fun business, and you want to grow it the right way, and you want to charge more money, and you want to make more money, then come and see me in Manchester here at my office, where we'll sit down, put a strategy together for you, and create a strong offer, and I'll show you exactly how to attract them high-paying clients.